In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring animated visuals into your design using a simple link, and how to place and size them so they look great. Start by opening Canva and heading into the design you're working on. This can be anything from a presentation slide to a social post. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the Apps panel. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the sidebar or use the search bar there. Type Embed, then click the Embed option when it appears. This opens a simple field that's waiting for a link. Now you'll grab your GIF. Open any reliable GIF website in a new tab and find the animation you want to use. When you've picked one, copy its link. Most GIF sites have a copy link or share button. Use that to get a direct URL. If you have multiple link options, the one that ends in .gif is often the most reliable. Make sure you're copying the actual GIF link and not just the page URL with extra tracking or parameters. This helps Canva recognize and load your animation cleanly. Switch back to Canva and paste that web link into the embed field. Click Add to Design. Canva will fetch the content and place your GIF directly onto your canvas. Give it a moment if your connection is slow or the file is larger than usual. You should see the animation appear and start moving once it's fully loaded. From here, treat the GIF like any other element. Click and drag the corners to resize while keeping the proportions intact. Use the side handles if you need a custom fit, but be mindful of stretching, which can make the animation look distorted. Click and drag to reposition it, and use Canva's alignment guides to center it or snap it to other elements. If you're layering graphics, you can arrange the GIF behind or in front of other items to match your layout. If your GIF looks choppy, try a smaller or simpler animation for smoother playback. And remember, multiple large GIFs can slow your editor, so keep an eye on performance as you design. When everything looks right, continue building your design around the animation. Add text, shapes, or backgrounds to complete the look. That's all there is to it. Search Embed in Canva, copy your GIF link from a GIF site, paste it into Canva, add it to your design, then move and resize as needed. Enjoy bringing your designs to life with motion.